Let's talk about the difference between managed IT services and traditional break-fix or ad hoc IT support. Break-fix support is reactive. Something goes wrong, you call for help, and then you wait until it's fixed. But the problem is, downtime can be costly and waiting for a solution impacts productivity. Managed IT, on the other hand, is proactive. With managed IT services, you have continuous monitoring, regular maintenance, and a dedicated team that prevents issues before they happen. It's like having a full-time IT department focused on keeping your systems running smoothly, ensuring you avoid disruptions and costly surprises. Instead of dealing with unexpected breakdowns, managed IT gives your business stability, predictable costs, and peace of mind. If you're still relying on ad hoc support, it might be time to consider a more reliable approach. At AlphaClick IT Solutions, we focus on keeping your IT running at its best so you can focus on growing your business. Give us a call today on 1302 00006 and see how we can help your business.